So this is my hair. I just finished washing it and I've not applied any product in it, and my hair is still very damp. That is, I still have some water in my hair, and that is what I want. Then to moisturize my hair, I'm going to be using my Blue Magic Castor Oil Conditioner. And to detangle my hair, I'll be using a white tooth comb, a brush, and something to part my hair. Then I'll begin by parting my hair in the middle, and I'll stop at the very top of my hair. As you can see, I'm not parting it all the way down, but if you want, you can part it all the way down. It's your choice. And then I'll begin to apply the castor oil conditioner in my hair. This conditioner is very moisturizing, and it makes my hair super shiny and very soft, so I love it so much. You don't have to use this particular product. You can use any of your favorite leave-in conditioner to moisturize your hair. And if your hair is very dry, make sure you spray it with some water to make it a little bit more manageable, because for this hairstyle you want your hair to be really moisturized and detangled. So to smooth out the hair, I'm going in with my brush. As you can see, I'm detangling a lot in this video because I really want the hair to be as smooth as possible. Now I'll start flat twisting, and what I'm doing here is taking a little portion of hair from the front section of the part I'm working with, then split it into two, and then begin to flat twist. So I'm using my right index finger to pick some hair from the scalp, that's from my scalp, and then I'll grab it with my left hand and then cross it over. I just hope that makes sense. I think the video is self-explanatory, so if you don't understand it better, you can always watch the video over and over again. As you can see, I'm still detangling my hair because the hair was getting tangled up. So make sure you always detangle if you feel like the hair is tangling up. So when I get to where I can no longer pick hair, I will now begin to do the normal 2-strand twist. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So once again, I'm going to show you how to install the flat twist, but first I will make sure I detangle that section very well again, and then I will part just a little amount of hair from that section I'm working with, split it into two, and then place my left index finger in the middle, then grab the hair with my right hand. Again, pick some hair with your left index finger from your scalp and grab with your right hand. I hope that makes sense. If you think it's really confusing, you can just watch the video over and over again until you learn it. Like they say, practice makes perfect. So make sure you practice and practice. If I can do it, you can do it as well. I don't know how to make my hair, like seriously, I really don't know how to make my hair until I practiced and learned it. So practice makes perfect. Just continue to use that same method, but make sure you detangle your hair as you go so that you don't find it difficult to separate the hair. Just pick some hair from the root with your left index finger and grab the hair with your right hand. Remember, the other side we used left hand to grab the hair, but because we've changed position, we are going to be using the right hand. That way the both side will look the same. I hope that makes sense. Now once I get to where I can no longer pick hair from my scalp, I will now do the normal 2-strand twist. So one advice I want to give you is, if you are going to be learning how to flat twist your hair or how to cornrow your hair, make sure you are working with a smaller section of hair. So when you are now perfect in flat twisting or cornrowing, you can now go for a bigger section. So this video is just like 2-in-1 video, showing you how to achieve this style and at the same time showing you how to install a flat twist. After I'm done with flat twisting the both side of my hair, I'm going to smooth down my edges with some gel. You don't have to do this, you can just brush your hair and you're good to go. But because I wanted my hair to be very well laid, I just needed to apply some gel, and also I'm going to apply more gel at the top of my head to make sure those tiny hair that are flying all over the place are well laid. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, it is very easy. Seriously guys, it is so easy to make. Just practice always and you'll be able to flat twist or cornrow. I hope to see you all in my next video, and I hope you've learned how to make your own hair. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.